Okay, in this video, let us learn some basic concept or basic terms of thermodynamics. Okay, so look at here. I have taken a bottle. Inside the bottle, I am having some. Inside the bottle, I am some having water. Okay, inside the bottle, I am having some water. So if the temperature is given to this bottle, obviously, sorry, if the heat is given to this bottle, obviously the temperature will be increases. Like 2 is my final temperature. Okay, so look at here. So I am drawing another bottle. Okay, I am drawing another bottle here. So this bottle is having some inside dotted line, which is like this inside dotted line, which is known as boundary, and outside of the boundary, that is your surrounding, and inside the boundary, this is your system. Okay, similarly, I have taken another container, and in this container I am having two different thing. That is what? That is the water is having and mercury is having. Okay, so some part I am having what? Water, and some part I am having mercury. So let the volume of water is 5 meter cube, and the volume of mercury is 6 meter cube. So if I want to know the total volume of this container, then obviously the volume of water occupied to the volume of mercury occupied, that is the volume of mercury plus the volume of what? Water. So that is will be the total volume of this container. So similarly, look at here. So I am draw here. So inside, what is that? The something inside the space I have written, that is here what? Systems. Okay, and just out to the system, that is I have written, that is the boundary, and anything except to the boundary, that is your surrounding. So we can see here. So anything which is under observation, or anything which is something inside the space, that is nothing but your systems. Okay, and a dotted line which will be separating to the system to the surrounding, which is known as your boundary. Okay, and boundary. So except to the surrounding, there is another thing which is known as universe. So some of the basic terms I have written here. Look at here. Some of the basic terms I have written here. What is system, what is surrounding, what is boundary, and what is universe. Okay, so look at here. What is system? The quantity of matter or region in the space or under in the space under investigation is known as your system. The quantity of anything, the quantity of matter, it may be anything which will be under investigation or which will be in consideration, that is your systems. So look at here. Inside the bottle I am having some water, that is my systems. Okay, inside this container I am having two things, that is the water and mercury, that is my systems. Okay, anything which will be under investigation or under study, that is your systems. So what is surrounding? Surrounding is what? Anything which is external to the system is known as surrounding. So this is my surrounding, and external this to the surrounding, that is your what? Sorry, this is my system, and anything external to the system, that is your surrounding. Okay, then what is boundary? Boundary what? So boundary, what is boundary? So boundary is nothing but it is the interface shared by the system and surrounding. Okay, it is the physical interface shared by the system to the surrounding, that is known as boundary. Mathematically, if you see, the thickness of the boundary is negligible. That is why negligible or zero. That is why the volume of the boundary is zero, or we can say mathematical the thickness of the boundary is zero. Hence, it has neither volume or mass. Okay, because the thickness of the boundary is 0, that is why the volume or mass of the boundary is negligible, or it has neither volume or nor mass. Okay, So what is universe? The universe is nothing but is the sum total of system to the surrounding. Okay, so next class we will talk what is real boundary and what is imaginary boundary. Okay. Thank you.